What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What are we gonna do today, man? You know what? Today, I kind of just want to install this exhaust. I just feel like doing something the same but different. It's the same but different. So, we have this beautiful exhaust sitting here. Let's install this exhaust. Get it in the car. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to start it, but you know, hey, we'll have it on the car so that when we complete everything else that we're doing, it's going to sound magnifico. Hold on, guys. I'm getting word from the mothership. There is a 10-foot man with a 10-foot dong coming to your house. Dressed like Uncle Sam, and he's not taking no for an answer. Just open your wallet and take it. Look at how crusty that is, but let's see if we can. Oh, really? Let's see if we can. Get these off. As you can see, I kind of sprayed it down with some of that blaster. Hopefully everything goes according to plan. Right bolts, right? None of this. I'm gonna go get a different one, and I'm gonna start to remove these bolts. Yeah, man, that is on there super tough. Let's dial this up a little bit more. Yeah. See what happens. Oh yeah, that's. Okay. Let's get in some movement, but I'm just gonna show you guys how tough some of these bolts are. They are not for the faint. It's coming out. It's not broken either, so that's a good sign. Same thing for like all four. All four of them, just like this. It's the type of, and the clearance too is not too good. But I think I'm gonna grab the big one and then see if I can use an extender and come after it. But yeah, we got it loose. Oh, well, spoke too soon. 4 more to go. That's broken bolt number 2. There we go. Let me sit them side by side. Twin, what's going on, twin? Yeah. 2 more. Yep. That happened. I didn't even know that was a thing. Hopefully these come with their own, so we won't have to worry about dealing with that mess. 1 more to go. It's still broke. This seemed like the one that was coming all the way out, but you know, we can't have that. We can't have. Can't be right. We're gonna have to cut the last bolt. It just is what it is. Nope. We're gonna have to cut that last bolt. So what I'm doing is I bought an angle. I have an angle grinder, and we're going to use this blade to cut the last bolt. Just make that nice and tight so that we don't have to, it doesn't fly off. Alright. Okay, it's not coming off anytime soon. Much better. Let's get underneath this car, cut this last bolt, and drop this exhaust. Let's go. Some of you may think that I'm in here listening to podcasts and music and stuff like that. Nope. Just me in the metal. Just me and the metal. Let me show you guys which right here. This one, you gotta go, man. You gotta go. So let me start cutting, and it's kind of rounded off right here. So just gonna cut straight through. That should come off. Someone probably had a different exhaust on here. I'm never gonna put this one back on anyway. So we're just gonna remove these two. This side over here is just held on by like this side right here. So once these come out, that's it. Just gotta cut this part. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, that was heavy. And I just noticed that, okay, you are getting reused. I don't care. Well, that's what they have a new one, and I don't really care. It just so happened that where this part broke off, we didn't have to cut this side off. Thank you. Thank you, but I do have to buy another one that goes on there. I'm not too sure. Yeah. How in the world is gonna get that one there? Okay, we gotta do some shopping. But I don't think I'm gonna ever use this again. Ever. So let's open this one up, see what it comes with, and at least hang it, because the struggle was real. The struggle was real with that one, but I got it down. Okay, so let's get the hangers off, slide them on here, and then we'll put this one up. All right, so even though we had a couple of bolts that snapped, they did give us some bolts so that we can, put on they did give us some bolts so that, left out here going to shops and whatnot just to find bolts to put them on. Oh man, it was a struggle getting that one off, man. That stock one is heavy. Not even gonna lie. What we have here, let's take these off, put them on this one. Come on. Tight. See if we can use the big one to get this out, because boy, I definitely don't want these to break, because Okay. Kind of loose because, yep. Flip it off so it goes back on. Now, I'm going to go all the way at the top so that it doesn't. On as it'll ever be. And then we can, yeah, that's on there. I don't think I wanted that low though, but it's on. We made it, boys. Oh, look at that. Now, it is kind of hanging a little, but I'm still not done, but it's up. It's up. You gotta get rid of this gap here. On the other side, I just used the jack to get it up, but you can screw this side in, but we've got to see about this side here. And for some reason, this one keeps kind of sliding out, so you got to figure that out too. But it's up, and I'm gonna keep on messing around with it until it's all the way in and we don't have anything sliding out. Oh man, that does not look good. But, oh man, I was struggling with the other one. That one was heavy too. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video, man. It's up, but we've got to get it hanging right. But it's looking good. It's looking good. So guys, that's about it, man. See you guys in the next one. Oh. Woo! Let's go, boys.